Hey kids! Are you ready to count with me? Let's go, 1, 2, 3, come sing along. One little apple, rolling on the floor. Two happy kittens, playing by the door. Three shiny stars, twinkling in the sky. Four big balloons, floating up so high. Five jumping bunnies, hopping to the beat. Six tasty cookies, such a yummy treat. Seven little rainbows, shining nice and bright. Eight silly monkeys, giggling all night. 9, 10, let's do it again. Time for a magical counting adventure. Let's celebrate our counting skills with a big dance party. Learning is fun with you and me.